It is a beautiful fall day today. And it's about 61 degrees according to the weather forecast. And this is my 2004 Camry XLE that actually I purchased about a month and a half ago. And it's got 113,000 miles on it. And I wanted to show you what I got here. So this is right here, the nut cover for the windshield wiper bolt. Okay, so I noticed I've got a real nice nut cover right there, but then I was looking the other day, had the hood open, and saw that on this side, whoop, I'm gonna have to open the hood up, there is no nut cover in here. So what I did was went to Priority Toyota in Springfield, and I got a new one right here. So we're gonna put this on. So let me pop the hood, show you what I'm talking about. And I got lots of leaves here, so let's do this. Wink. Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna have to get the shop vac out. Oh my goodness gracious! But this is the engine. Oh man, this thing is nice. Okay, so let's go over here and show you. If you look down in here, oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Yikes, a bunga. You can see right here, there is no nut cover on there. All right. So let me unpackage this thing and we'll put it on. Okay. So there we go. Open this up. All right. So hang on. Let me put this down a sec. All right. So here's our package. Open this up. And here's the new nut cover. Looks just like this. And I wonder if I ought to wipe that out inside there a little bit. Get some of the leaves. There you go. That's good. I think all I got to do is just press this right on here, and I'm ready. I'm done. Oh, my neighbor's coming home over there. So we just take it and oh, there we go. It's on. Now my whoop, hey, get back down there. So why isn't that sticking? Well, that's interesting. It's supposed to stick. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. There's a little clip right there that this should go over. There you go. That's it. It's on. Okay, just make sure that's pressed down and it's over the clip. Okay, we're done. That's it. So I think what I'm going to do though is get my shop vac out and vacuum all this stuff right now. Let's turn this on. And oh, we got some suction. There we go. Oh, look at that, man. We're getting almost off. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to go over the other side, I think. Get that off. All right, hang on. So I vacuumed off all the leaves, and I kind of actually wiped this out with an Armor All cleaning wipe to make sure all the dust and everything was out, and it looks really nice. And I kind of did the same thing. Oh, I still got a little leaf down in that one. But so all the leaves are gone. It sounds like one of those songs. All the leaves are gone, and that's what we look like. Nice. Okay. I hope everybody has a blessed rest of the day. And hey, this is me. Okay, let's take a quick peek inside the car. Show you what I got. This is the, it's nice. It's very clean. You know. Hey, I got a cassette player so I can listen to my old cassettes because I'm an old guy, right? You know. Hey, got a sunroof. Everything looks good here. Yeah, let's see what's on the back. Nice. Everything is spiffy.